Shri Gurubhyo Namaha children, welcome to our online teaching academy Ekalaiva. See exercise 4.2, question number 1. In triangle ABC, D and E are points on the sides AB and AC respectively such that DE parallel to BC. Using the theorem we are going to calculate, right? What theorem says if the line is parallel, the ratios are equal. Line is parallel, the ratios are equal. Solution. First, I am going to draw the triangle A, B, C. The line is parallel, they said. D, E. Right? AD by DB. That means this has 3, this has 4. Then one more thing they given as AC equal to 15. AC equal to 15. Using the theorem, we are going to calculate what is AE. What is AE? See here, given DE parallel to BC. The word parallel will help you to find a solution, right? By BPT, what is your conclusion? If the line is parallel, the ratios are equal, right? What is the ratio? AD by DB equal to AD by DB equal to AE by EC. AE by EC. But what they mentioned here, AC as 15 centimeter. AC as 15 centimeter. See here, AC equal to, how to write AC in terms of E, using E, AE plus EC. AE plus EC equal to 15. Equal to 15. AC equal to AE plus EC equal to 15. Now, EC equal to 15 divided by 15 minus AE. The positive, when you shift to the opposite side, it will act as negative. 15 minus AE. This one I am going to substitute here, right? I know the value of AD and DB, right? What is AD? AD is 3. What is your DB? Is 4. So, 3 by 4 equal to AE divided by EC. EC can be replaced by 15 minus AE. 15 minus AE. Now, you have to cross multiply. 45 minus 3 into AE equal to 4 into AE, right? 4 AE. Now, 45 equal to 4 AE plus 3 AE, which is equal to 7 AE. AE equal to 45 by 7. AE equal to 45 by 7. What they are expecting to find? AE, right? What they are expecting to find? AE. AE equal to 45 by 7. That means what is your EC? You have to check whether 15 is coming or not. EC is what? EC equal to 15 minus 45 divided by 7, right? 15 minus 45 by 7. If you want, you should check. But they are asking only AE, no? Up to that, you should end up. AE equal to 45 by 7 centimeter. 45 by 7 centimeter. Question number 1. Second subdivision, right? AD equal to 8x minus 7, DB equal to 5x minus 3, AE equal to 4x minus 3, EC equal to 3x minus 3. Right, now I am going to write that. 8x minus 7, same diagram, 5x minus 3, 4x minus 3, 3x minus 1, right. Here also the same, DE parallel to BC. Given DE parallel to BC. If a line is parallel, you can say the ratios are equal, right. So, by BPT, how can you say? Using the theorem only you are going to say. By BPT, AD by DB equal to AE by EC. Now, you know the value AD equal to 8x minus 7. So, 8x minus 7 divided by 5x minus 3 equal to 4x minus 3 divided by 3x minus 1. Now you have to cross multiply. 8x into 3x, right? 8x minus 7 into 3x minus 1 equal to 4x minus 3 into 5x minus 3. 8x into 3x, what it is? 24x square. 8x into minus 1, minus 8x, minus 7 into 3x, minus 21x, minus into minus, plus 7. Got it, children? Now, 4x into 5x, 20x square, 4x into minus 3, minus 12x, minus 3 into 5x, minus 15x, minus 3 into minus 3, minus 3 into minus 3 plus 9. Got it? Now you see 24x square, 24x square, you shift this number minus 20x square. Here you see minus 8x minus 21x, both are negative, add and put negative symbol, minus 29x. Here minus 27x. When you shift minus 27 to this side, you will get it as plus 27. Plus 27x plus 7, shift minus 9 to the opposite, minus 9 equal to 0. Now you are arrived at quadratic equation, right? 24x square minus 20x square, what can you get? 4x square. Next, minus 2x, next minus 2 equal to 0. Equal to 0. Now you see everything is a multiple of 2. So you can divide by 2. What is your result? 2x square minus x minus 1 equal to 0. Equal to 0. Now we are going to apply sum product. Right. Sum equal to minus 1 coefficient of x. Product equal to coefficient of x square and the constant. So, 2 into minus 1 equal to minus 2. What are the possibilities for 2? 1, 2. Sum is also negative, product is also negative, bigger number negative, smaller number positive. Right? How to write? You are going to factorize. Right? X minus 2, x plus 1 equal to 0. Except 1, any other number comes near to x square, that is coefficient of x square. Except 1, any other number comes, use that and divide your possibility. Then what is your result? X is equal to 1. X is equal to minus 1 by 2. X is equal to minus 1 by 2. The measurement cannot be negative. If you substitute here, what can you get? 8 into minus 1 by 2, minus 4. Minus 4 minus 7 means minus 11. We cannot do the measurement in terms of negative. So, x is equal to minus 1 by 2 is rejected. If I ask what is your height, you can say 153 centimeter or 154 centimeter. You cannot say minus 154. No, the same logic you have to apply here also. So, therefore, the value of x is equal to 1. The value of x is equal to 1. To receive our online lesson, please press the subscribe button and you will receive the latest updates. Thank you, children.